Today in this video we're going to look at how to make a display, the main display in Windows 10. In our case we're going to be making the JVC monitor the main display today. Now quite a lot of people think you need to make changes to cabling or you need to make changes to your drivers on your machine. That's not the case. It's just a few simple changes on your system which will make the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that in a few moments. But before I dive into the detail, if you're new to this channel and you want help solving your tech related questions like this one and on other types of tech, start now by subscribing to our channel. Okay, so let's dive right into the detail now on how to make a display, a main display in Windows 10. So as you can see here today, we've got a Lenovo laptop with quite a small screen. We've also got a much larger external JVC monitor which are going to make as the main display today. So by default, the laptop is actually the main display because I guess without the main display attached to it, there has to be some display. So that is the default monitor at the moment, monitor 1, and the JVC is the monitor 2. So I guess the question is, why would you want to make sort of the, if you like in our case today, the larger display, the main display? Well, there's different sort of reasons for it. Most people prefer to work on a larger screen anyway. I certainly do. Maybe gamers enjoy a much larger screen. If you're doing a lot of detailed work, maybe cutting and pasting information, it's much better when you're using a larger screen. And also when you set a display as a main display, you'll also see that there's various aspects. So on here, you've got the notification tray down here. You've also got the option to sign in, unlock the screen, etc. And also generally most programs will actually run from the main display when you open them initially for the first time. There are some exceptions to that, but that's generally the rule. So let's go ahead now and actually change the display from this being the main one to that one, and I'll demonstrate it step by step for you. If you go onto your desktop and you right click display settings, okay, so if you click that, and it will take you into the actual settings for all the displays. So as you can see at the moment, we can identify which is one, so which monitors. So basically this is monitor 1 and this is monitor 2 here, okay, and that's made by clicking the identify button. So if we want to change the main display from the laptop to the external screen, what we need to do is if you just scroll down the screen here, you can see make this my main display. That's ticked for monitor 1 at the moment. So what you need to do is tick monitor 2 and then scroll down the page and actually select make this my main display. And what you'll actually see is the laptops will switch around and the desktop will switch around. The desktop's in a moment, so we'll just do that. Okay, so if you can see that the icons have switched around, but also as you can see here, the notification tray has appeared on this screen now. And also when you go to like lock your screen, it appears on there. And for example, if you're opening the internet, again, it's a default monitor. It's basically opening on the main display. So just wanted to go ahead and demonstrate that to you today. I've also put together some other PC related videos for you, including how to adjust your second external monitor so it either sits on the right hand side or the left hand side depending on how your workflow is set up, and some other videos where I share a bunch of useful tips. Links are appearing on screen now. Be sure to check them out. We'll see you on the next video.